Hey everyone, today we're going to be making green chili chutney, and these are the ingredients. It's really fast and easy. And first we have some cilantro, garlic, salt, unripe mango, and green chilies. And depending on how much you want to make, then you should portion it based on it. So then we're going to blend all the ingredients together. It's actually really simple. This is all you really have to do. Just blend all the ingredients. We're going to put them in the blender. You put it on you just blend it enough so it's smooth and soft like a sauce. And it's really nice because it's a beautiful blend of ingredients and it's really simple and easy to make. So if you're in a rush, this is like the best thing that you could possibly make because it's actually really good with things. It can be spicy if you put a lot of chili, but it's really good. And here is the finished product. It's very green and beautiful, and you could eat it with pastries like samosas and pitas. We will show you on some of our videos probably. And this is a nice sauce. You can even eat it if you need more spice with something. And it's actually a great thing to make. I really think you would really especially enjoy this. It's beautiful green. Look at that. And hope you enjoy. Subscribe for more.